A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings. And I want question me have for you today. I want warning me have for all of we. So we better watch out and pay attention so that the dragon and the wild animal no can fool we up. Think about it. If you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then first thing, click the like button. Then share this video with all of your friends after you drop one comment below. And if you're not subscribed yet, don't wait. Click the subscribe button now and the notification bell too to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on. Right here, so. Today, I'm going to read from the letter we name Revelation, chapter 13, from verse 11 to verse 18. Then, me look and see one nether wild animal a come up out of the earth. Him did have two horns, like where the baby sheep have, but him talk like the dragon. Him use the same kind of power where the first wild animal did have against all of the people them on the earth and force them to worship the first wild animal where did have one chap where look like it did kill him, but where head did get better. And all what him do it in front of the first wild animal. And the second wild animal do some powerful thing. Him all make fire come down from heaven in front of people. God did allow the first wild animal to do some powerful thing for the second wild animal. Second then sitting there, the people on earth, they get full up. The second wild animal order the people them on earth to make one sitting where look like the wild animal where they get chopped with the sword, but where they still live. God allowed the second wild animal to get power, to give life to the sitting where look like the first wild animal, so that it could attack and kill anybody when no one worship it. It all force everybody, little and big, rich and poor, who free and who are slave, to take one mark pan them right hand or pan them forehead. So, nobody couldn't buy or sell if them not have the mark. That are the wild animal name or him number. Una have a wise if you know understand this year. Anybody who wise can add up the wild animal number cause a man number. Him number are 666. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.